How to permanently delete your Instagram account. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and go to your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Help. Then select Help Center. In the Help Center, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap Manage Your Account. Then choose Delete Your Account. Next, go to the section Temporarily Deactivate Your Instagram Account and scroll down to the Delete Your Instagram Account option. Click on it and go to the next page. Here, click on the menu at the top and select Mobile Browser Help. Then scroll down and you will see the option to delete your account. Click on it and a new page will open where you need to specify your reason for deleting your account and enter your account password. Scroll down to the Delete button. Please note the message at the bottom indicating that you have exactly 1 month to restore your account. Click that Delete button and you are done. We have successfully deleted our account. Thank you for watching. Please leave your likes, comments and share the video. See you in the next video.